This play is a comedy about gossip, lies, and people who care too much about their image. It was written in 1777 by Richard Brinsley Sheridan, and it makes fun of rich English society, where rumors travel fast and truth comes last. The story takes place in a world full of talkers. Lady Sneerwell leads the gossip group, helped by her servant Snake. They enjoy ruining reputations. Others join in, like Mrs. Candor, who pretends to be kind but repeats every secret, and men like Crabtree and Sir Benjamin Backbite, who love shocking stories. At the center are two brothers. Charles' surface looks wild. He spends too much, parties hard, and is always in debt. But he is honest and kind inside. Joseph's surface is the opposite. He speaks politely, acts moral, and looks perfect, but he is selfish and fake. Both brothers love Maria, a good young woman who truly loves Charles. There is also a troubled marriage. Sir Peter Teazle is older and worried about his name. Lady Teazle is young and enjoys city life. They fight about money, and Joseph secretly tries to win Lady Teazle's attention. The plot turns when Sir Oliver Surface, the rich uncle, returns from abroad. He hears that Joseph is good and Charles is ruined, so he decides to test them in disguise. As a moneylender called Mr. Premium, he visits Charles and sees his debts. Charles even offers to sell family portraits, but refuses to sell his uncle's picture. This shows his real heart. Sir Oliver then visits Joseph as a poor relative, and Joseph refuses real help. The most famous scene happens in Joseph's room. Lady Teazle hides behind a screen. Sir Peter hides in a closet. Charles arrives. The truth slowly comes out, and the screen is pulled down to reveal Lady Teazle. Joseph is exposed. In the end, Sir Oliver reveals everything. Lady Sneerwell's lies are uncovered. Charles is rewarded, Joseph is shamed, and the play reminds us that actions matter more than talk.